as a survivor, I learned to be confident and really believe in myself despite the things I've gone through. So I ended up skating every day. I found a community of women who support me and I get to support them. And I'm basically just in love with roller skating. It makes me super happy. I'm Cammie and I'm 35 years old. I started skating during the pandemic. I thought I'll just throw them on, and then I realized it's actually really hard, but really it's just a learning lesson. Incrementally you get better and better and better, and then other people skate with you and they teach you and then you teach them, and that's why skating is a community. We all skate together. Individuality matters so much. And so beauty to me means you get to put on clothes and makeup and hair and an attitude that makes you feel like a badass. I love everything from going goth and punk all the way to dressing like an absolute glittery unicorn when I roller skate. I love that I can walk into Sephora and I see people of color and I see people from the LGBT community. And I learned so much about different artistry, so it's all really inspiring. I've walked in that life being a victim and knowing that someone is trying to control me or have power over me. I created Take Back the Bowl. Take Back the Bowl is taking back that power and being confident. You can be a beginner. You can skate whenever you want to and however you want to and not be judged. One of the therapy techniques I use, I imagine myself skating in a bowl and jumping and flying. And really that moment where you fly in the air and you're just, it's overwhelmingly one of the best things in my life. So take a chance. The worst part is the fall, and the best part is you get back up and you try again.